Hey kids, Big Papa here. Look, it says it on my shirt. We're gonna have some fun today. I've done a couple recipes now with the hatch chilies, which I love dearly. You can get them mild, medium, or hot, but mostly what we get are is mild, which I like. So they're from the Hatch Valley in New Mexico. It's once a year, and they're fabulous. I've done some videos on roasting them. Today, we're gonna make a salsa for a swordfish. And so I don't really want the char, but the skin has different flavors. It's not so good on peppers. And what we're gonna do to get the skin off is we're gonna steam them for about 3 to 5 minutes. So here we go. One of the little tricks of steaming them is to poke a couple holes in the pepper themselves. Just a few. Now, when you steam peppers, understand that you'll lose some of the heat. But when you lose some of the heat, it actually intensifies some of the rich smokiness and earthiness of the pepper. So you lose a little bit in heat, but you get a little more in flavor. I'm not doing the hatch chilies for heat, I'm doing for flavor, because our salsa is gonna have red onion, it's gonna have pineapple, it's gonna have corn, hallelujah lime, little desert gold, as will the swordfish. And then when that's all cooked, it's gonna be on the same time as the swordfish. I'm gonna dice up the avocado really pretty small and put it on top of the semi-cooked salsa that gets draped on top of the swordfish. So let's start. I think you can see back here, I got a double boiler. 2 hatch chilies, 5 minutes. Hey Louie, set the phone for 4 minutes. I use the cell phone timer and it's something you really should use a lot. So while that's steaming, I'm gonna come here and take these pineapple and I'm gonna get them to nice size salsa bites. Have you ever heard that before? Pineapple and salsa bites? Oh, this is gonna be so good. Because what's gonna happen is the pineapple is gonna get a little caramelized in the cast iron pan, as will the corn. And we're gonna put some lime juice in there, some seasoning, maybe even a dash of butter, believe it or not, and a couple drops of honey, because we're going for the sweet hot flavor here. So I really like when I portion things out and get ready to cook, to have these little bowls. So here's the pineapple. Okay, let's do the corn. This is always messy. So you can steer to stay right here. Now let's see if I can beat Louie's timer. All I really have to get one more thing done here is the onion, okay? I like red onions, they're a little sweeter. I'm gonna put the onions in first when I go to the pan, because I think the onions are gonna take a little longer. The avocado is gonna go at the end. So let me just pre-slice it so I'm ready. Open her up. Take these nice lengthwise slices, and then let's do some crosswise. A little harder to do with this trendy square knife. Look at this, there we go. So that's gonna be waiting for us. We have our corn, we have our onion, we have our pineapple. Now we gotta prep the peppers. Let's see how we're doing with the timer. How much time left, Lou? Oh, there's our timer. Steaming hot, I'll be careful. They're at least blistered. I'm gonna trust the skin on these. What I am gonna do is I'm gonna come in here. Ooh, they're hot. Cut them in half. Try and get as many seeds out as possible. You know, I think 1 pepper might be enough for us. I'm gonna put the hatch with the pineapple here. Okay, now hopefully I can keep the skin on and still I don't have any of that pungent skin or bitter skin. So we'll find out. If not, I'll do it. So there's our salsa stuff waiting. Get a couple of limes ready. Okay, see you outside. Okay, we're out here. I got the grill heated pretty hot. I got my grill grates on this side. I'm just gonna kind of put this cast iron pan here. Got a little avocado oil. Let me just spray some for coverage. So that's what the salsa's going in. Close this, let's get it heated up. Okay, let's start making the salsa. Give this a couple minutes. Look at that. We're getting the fish ready. Let's put it up here. Some more heat. Desert gold. And hallelujah lime. This thing is so good for so many things, but especially get a little sodium, a little pepper, and a little heat in here. Avocado oil at higher heat. One more spritz of the hallelujah lime. Let's let it cook. Here we go. Let's see how we're looking. I'm getting kind of what I want. I want to get a little browning. Now always be careful with these cast iron. And do is remove them down here while I put the swordfish. Okay, so see, I've gotten one side of the swordfish seasoned. I'm gonna turn that. We'll come here, Desert Gold. Feel like I'm cheating. Hallelujah lime. I promise I won't do this again. We're gonna set our timer for 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. Little trick on grill grates. Lift underneath. If you feel any resistance, it's not ready to turn. See, there's no resistance, so now watch it. Now I call that purdy right there. Another 3 minutes. Now let's do something kind of, I think is fun while we do this. Lime, baby. Oh God. Well, there's something missing. Butter. And just, believe it or not, just a little drizzle of honey. We're going to toss some cold avocado on it because I want to. And it's my show. I get to do it. So this is tasting now. Pull this off. Okay, 3 minutes there. How's that look? There's a little lime trick here too. Especially get it behind the grill grate so it kind of picks it up. Then we'll dust with some Hallelujah lime and some Desert Gold. Take a temperature. 121, 109. Let's give it about 2 minutes under here. Meanwhile, we're waiting for the 2 minutes. I'll clean up. 27, 32, we're ready. Look, it's gonna rest up to the temperature, the residual cooking. So we're really close. Oh my, everything's looking good here. Here's our corn salsa / relish. Here's our fish. Got our avocado. Little trick here with the avocado. I'm gonna hit it with the Hallelujah lime. Just kind of wake it right up. So let's smooth the corn out, the hatch peppers, the red onions. Take this beautiful piece of swordfish right here. Now, if you want to leave the avocado off, fine, you're just not a Californian. We got to put avocado on everything. Again, just a little hit around the edges. And I think we have a pretty beautiful dish. Of course I do, I cooked it.